Want to keep your Instagram message notifications private on your iPhone and stop sender names from appearing on your lock screen? First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Notifications, then tap Instagram to access its notification controls. Next, swipe through the Instagram notification settings until you reach Show Previews, which is usually set to Always or when unlocked. To prevent names and message snippets from appearing, choose Never and Exit Settings. That simple change hides both the sender's name and the content of the message until you unlock your phone and open Instagram. You will still receive notification badges and sounds for incoming messages, so you never miss anything, but your privacy remains intact. If you ever want to restore previews, return to Settings, tap Notifications, select Instagram, and switch Show Previews back to when unlocked or always. That is all you need to keep your chats private. If this helped you, please tap like, share your favorite privacy hack in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.